The Royal Navy had to make an epic journey down far south, establish a beachhead amidst hostile fire and support the British infantry and Marines in their quest to recapture the island. It was a close call, which led to the development of the HMS Queen, Ocean, which forms part of a bigger plan to revive and sustain the Royal Navy's amphibious capability. Regaining the big picture. By the mid-1980s, the British government has decided that Britain would need to have a comprehensive fleet of amphibious platforms to create a mobile, flexible, and sustainable amphibious fleet. A landing platform helicopter, otherwise known as LPH ship, HMS Ocean, was to be complemented by the new landing platform dock